How to check for updates in Windows 11. Step 1. Run Windows Update in Windows 11. Search for and open Windows Update settings. If there are any available updates, they will begin to automatically download. In the top right corner of the Windows Update window, click the Check for Updates button to manually search for updates. Below any available updates, click on the Download and Install button and follow any prompts to install the update. After the updates install, restart your computer when prompted. Step 2. Installing firmware or BIOS updates in Windows 11. Search for and open Device Manager. In the Device Manager, click on the small arrow next to Firmware to expand the list. Double-click on System Firmware to open the System Firmware Properties window. At the top of the System Firmware Properties window, select the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, click Search automatically for drivers. If any updates are available, wait for the update to download and then follow the on-screen instructions. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.